All right, this is part of the window installation series. What I've got here, I'm getting ready to put the exterior trim on. So this is PVC trim. I got PVC brick mold. Let's see, for the top, the sides, both sides, and then I have a PVC. Let's get it down here. PVC sill piece. All right, and then there's a 1x6 that I ripped down to the width for the middle between the two windows that you end up right here. All right, I pre-assemble all of my window casings and door casings for that matter. It turns out way better. In the case of this PVC, what I do, let's see, I should have done a post on this, but I was kind of busy getting it done. I pre-cut my moldings, all right, and for the PVC, it gets glued up with PVC cement. I really prefer using red hot vinyl cement, the white stuff, but I didn't have that handy, so I used just PVC cement, clear stuff. It works all fine, but that's just kind of preference, is the red hot vinyl. Christie's red hot. So I glue my miter joints, and you'll see these teeth marks right there. I'll try to show you a picture of the clamshell. I think that's what they're called. The clamshell clamps I use for those. To clamp the miter joint together. And then on the top, I put a stainless steel screw through there just to hold it, to make darn sure it doesn't come apart. And then on the top of this 1x where it meets, I use two stainless steel screws sunk down in there. I am not concerned the least bit about water getting in here and sitting because it's PVC. It's not gonna rot. I don't care. And then the same thing, similar to that, to this piece where the sill meets the brick mold. I drove two stainless steel screws up from underneath and glued all these joints. All these joints are glued with PVC cement. All right, so that's that. So now I'm getting ready to take this, put it up in place around the windows, and screw it in place. Okay, I'm on the top deck here and getting ready to put this up. I'm not gonna be able to show you me screwing this stuff in. You just have to practice doing it yourself. But these are the screws that I use for doing the PVC. The Cortex system, I'm using 2-inch screws. That'll be enough. With the pre-made plugs for the screws, all match to the Versatex. This is all Versatex trim that I'm using. So I highly recommend this. It works great. Almost invisible. I mean, if you get up close to it, you can see it, the plugs, but from a distance, no problem. All right, I got the window trim all installed. Screwed in with the Cortex Versatex screws, and I've already plugged them. I couldn't really show the video because I needed 2 hands to do it, and I'm working by myself. But here are the plugs. All right, you get them either in a bag loose like this, or they come on a strip like this. The strip is, in my opinion, way better, way easier, way faster. Depends what kind of package you buy it in. Anyway, this is all kind of a conglomeration of leftover parts that I've got. So the screws, drive in with the drill, not an impact driver. All right, and the bit, let's go there. Basically bottoms out. It drives it to the right depth for you, and it bottoms out until that felt thing spins and you stop. And it's very difficult to get them out if you screw up, so don't screw up. And you can see, what is it? Right there. There's a plug. Like I said, if you get up close, you can see it, but at any reasonable distance, it becomes pretty invisible. There's another one. And with the PVC, all right, the instructions probably say, hit it flat face with a hammer. Don't do that. All right, if you're going to hit it flat face, like over there, I had space. I use a mallet, okay, so I don't mark the PVC. hammer will ding the PVC really fast. In this area, the mallet head's too big to get in there. So, one person here. I put a block on there right over the plug and then hit that block to drive it flush. All right, that's just a little point there. And I got the ones down there. I'm gonna go down a level on the scaffold and hit those bottom ones, and then that's installed.